Hey, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm in a hotel room today. This hotel room's got a full kitchen and plus my big room at the back there. Anyway, I'm going to show you guys another meal. This is super healthy, super easy. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll show you what we're working with to start with. And some farm fresh eggs here. I have 4 of them in a cup. We're going to beat those in a second. Got bag of spinach. I like spinach. We got some palm hearts. Hearts of palm. I got a little bit of this, that's a little high. Ooh, let's not burn the pan. I've got some Chinese crispy spice. This stuff is delicious. So full of flavor. Fantastic. I like my stuff a little bit spicier, so that is a little bit mild, but it's got some nice texture to it. Wonderful flavor. And then I've got some Bomba antipesto sauce. This is going to add a little bit of extra heat. I'll show you what we do with that later. I'm going to be using some eggplant, some spicy eggplant, and a little bit of a spicy antipasto. And that's just going to be on the side with it. So anyway, let's get these out of the way. Like I say, we're going to go ahead and we're going to beat these eggs. And now watch this meal. Not only is it filling and delicious and flavorful, it's super healthy for you. So here we go. We got my eggs beaten. Perfect. Ooh, that's still a little high. Man, this stove cooks high. All right, let's get that back on the heat. I'm just going to steal a little bit of oil from my eggplants here. You can use butter, you can use oil, you can use whatever it is you like. I like to steal some of that because I like the flavors. It's going to mingle very well. A little bit of spice in there, and I do like my spice. All right. And now I'm just going to add a little bit of spinach to that. Nice handful of spinach. That's going to wilt down really quickly. Let's grab a spatula. And we're just going to throw my eggs right in there. Perfect. Here we go. And I'm just going to scramble these up with the spinach right in there. I don't like them super scrambled, but just enough. And I kind of don't like to overcook my spinach either. So we'll just let that very lightly wilt down. And about now I can turn the heat right off. And just let the heat of the pan cook those. Perfect. And I do like to leave them just a little bit runny. You can cook them to your own taste. I'm just going to leave those for a minute. I'll give that one more stir in a second. Now I'm going to grab plate. And this is where the actual magic happens, is the plating. This recipe is so good. All right. Now, I'm going to take a couple of these palm hearts, my hearts of palm. Let's put 1, 2 nice big palm hearts on there. Those are going to be fantastic. Get some eggplant in there. I do like the eggplant, so I am not going to be shy here. We're going to put lots. Beautiful. Nice portion of those. Fantastic. Give this one more quick stir here. Oh, that's perfect. Get that off the heat. Move this so it doesn't burn. Man, those are perfect. You know what? Let's get those onto the plate right now. Move this forward. fork out of the way. Now you can add cheese to this if you want. I'm not going to. I'm going to eat it just like this. Perfect. Now we're going to grab some of this antipasto, make a little room over here for it. Some nice big chilies in there. This one's going to be spicy. You got the jalapenos and the banana peppers. Let's get an onion. Oh man. Oh, it's got the eggplant right in it too. That's lovely. All right. There we go, some of that. Now here's where the real spice comes in. I'm going to throw some of that bomba on there because I love this stuff. I'm just going to throw a little bit right on here and there. And I'm going to put the rest just right on the side like that. Now this stuff is super spicy, so if you don't like spice, but I'm telling you, the flavor is unbelievable. Unbelievable. Now we're going to take some of this Chinese crispy spice here. And again, I'm just going to throw some of that right on. I like it on the palm hearts, and I like a little bit right on my eggs. Now this stuff's really mild, so you can throw a bunch right on there. But it's got some nice it's crisp to it. It's got some nice texture. Stuff is lovely. And there we have it. Look at this meal. Isn't that fantastic? This is delicious. You got some Asian elements in there. That Chinese crispy spice makes it very Asian. We got some Italian elements in there. Let's get some close-ups on this food here. Oh boy. Doesn't that just look amazing? Oh. Right on. And there you have it. Super healthy, super easy, super fast, super flavorful. You're going to love this one.